Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Finally, I have started my K.P.M.C competition round 1 today. In July and August, I have a quite busy season in whole year, so I couldn't even upload enough video nowadays. Yeah, so finally, I can even upload my video with my competition review. My opponent is from Croatia, and his name is Mastrovic. Yeah, please understand, even my pronunciation is not perfect. And today I wrote down my real name there. You know, always I wrote down there Baduk Doctor as my nickname. But today I wrote there my real name, Young-un Park. Yeah, Korean pronunciation is Park Young-un. Yeah. Long time I didn't write down my real name on the YouTube, so feels a bit weird. Yeah. So today, I handled the black, yeah, and he was white, and this was 1 hour basic time, and after we spend 1 hour, we have a 30 seconds Boyomi for 3 times, yeah. And let's start the review from now. I used the couple stars, yeah, this is my favorite nowadays, yeah. To be honest, a few days ago, when I had my final practice game, I have tried the new one. Yeah, I used the couple 3 and 4, but after I used this beginning, my beginning result was not good. Even I lost my game. Yeah, so I changed my plan. Yeah, as usual, I just used the couple stars. And then he has played 3 and 4, and I approach and invade the 3-3. Yeah. This is normal, right? Yeah, here, this one. And here, yeah, he just tenuki there. Actually, I was expecting him to have a, yeah, pincer here. Yeah, pincer somehow is one of a normal move to use this potential. Yeah. But in the actual game, yeah, he didn't play there. Sorry, sometimes the board is keep moving, right? Yeah, this program is a bit different than that I was using before. So when he invaded here, I was focusing to catch the sente because I really wanted to go to the left hand side. And I have played the 2-space jump. Even AI is recommending me to play this move. Yeah, very large knight move. This is also making sense because when white approaches here, this size is a bit smaller compared to here and this one. Yeah, so it was making sense. Yeah. Okay, in the actual game here, and he even invaded here one more time. So I was thinking whether I need to play like couple double hane, and then throw this away, because you know when I check the position here, black stones are there, so this Joseki seems suitable. Yeah, between this. And I thought one more variation, like actual game, whether I need to catch the center one more time and then go to the big place, because I really wanted to go to the left hand side. Yeah, somehow it was attractive, isn't it? Yeah, but yeah, as you can guess, nowadays, however we play, wherever we play, the AI is not really telling me someone was wrong. Yeah, it's still making sense. And in the white actual game, white just invade here, and this time also is very hard to judge. Yeah, still AI recommend me to play here, and even though white can save this group, and it was much thicker than actual game. Yeah, I thought I really have to sorry, it was the actual game. It wasn't actual game. I thought I really have to separate white to those two groups, but it was not even bad to white. Yeah, it was no problem to white. And then if white just continue to fight, maybe 1-space jump or this way, then it was okay actually. In the actual game, he wanted to separate those two groups. Yeah, and I made a sente and attack here. It seems white is a bit weird, but actually still that is okay, no problem. The reason is if white can just pip here and save this, because this is all center, isn't it? Yeah. And then if just save it here, white didn't get any damage actually. Yeah. So still I didn't even think I was leading, yeah, at this moment. But now maybe he was a bit too hurry now. He was too rush. So he immediately pip and then attach here, but this was too overplay. When he is going out to center, then he need to have a very bad exchange here. Now when I capture here, I realized that I was leading. Yeah. If you are just checking the point, actually black is not so good, but you know there has many aji. Even I can challenge the core later, and then now this is very thick, so I can return to jump here. Yeah, so now white become very weak. Yeah, because this is much stronger now. Oh, that's why from this exchange, black has got better. Yeah. And then one more mistake was if white just jump out to center like this, then it was still okay. Yeah, but in the actual game, yeah, he has played one space jump. This was definitely too much. I was thinking that whether white can attach here. Yeah, this is also still making sense, because when I play here, then this Atari is gonna be center and then he can block here. So it was okay. Yeah, but in the actual game, when he plays this move, black was too strong now. Black was very thick. When I peep here, so simply white has no answer now. Nothing to answer. You know, white can't play like this. Yeah, here, then this is scratched now. I can just return to enjoy the cool. Yeah. Still, of course, black is not winning by territory, but I mean but black can use control. Yeah, black is very strong, white is very weak. So I will get back. I will get back territory from my control of the fighting. Yeah. So in the actual game, white decided to have a sacrifice, but that was too big. Yeah. So I realized that now black was winning. Yeah, black was leading. Yeah. Here I used the hardest to move. Yeah. In case white just plays here, I wanted to extend here. It was very natural. So now in the actual game, he just Atari here. And then if I just answer, then of course he can consider to block here. So, but I don't have to answer immediately. Because in the actual game, that when I block here and they are in trouble, he really have to save there right now. So when he saves here, the saving position was also not that perfect. Yeah, in the actual game, actually he could make Sente first, push and then Hane. You know, now white doesn't even have to be worried about this, because this is gonna be Sente. And I'm not sure whether he was afraid of this. In case I cannot capture, then I will lose a lot of points from there. So I was thinking just to answer here. Then when he makes Sente here, then I was willing to answer, and I wanted to Tenuki here. But in the actual game, he just saves here, so it was lucky. Yeah, because white has to span the 2 steps here. And then now saving position was much worse than just now. Later, even when I push here, black cannot even return here. Maybe black can play, but black cannot save this group. Yeah, you know, now life and death is in trouble. So if he has to throw them away, then it's also very big benefit to me. Yeah. So now I return here, I just realized that now I'm leading enough, so I just used the stable move. Yeah. From this fighting, I've got a lot. Yeah. And he just approached here. And then I couldn't accept there. Actually, black has a many decision. I can just even consider to trade in this area. Yeah, but now I just get in here. Somehow they are, you know, now too far away. Yeah, but I don't mean this is a good or not. And here, this white need to try something. Otherwise, white cannot catch up. But now simply black could go out to center like actual game. Yeah. And then here, and this here. Okay, when he peep here, I was expecting him to just answer here. And then I was thinking which move I should play from now. But now in the actual game, he just peep here first. But that was so much attractive. How can I not play here? Yeah. But of course, after he cut here, then it was a little bit complicated. But when he cut here, I expected, even though I was thinking that even though I throw them away, if I have a good sacrifice, then still black was leading enough. Yeah, and my judgment was not bad. And then peep here and this and here. In case he just sorry, I pressed the wrong button. And then in case just he has played Hane, I was thinking to sacrifice like this. Yeah, if I just go out here, then you know it's quite clean, right? So now before I play number 4, I was supposed to cut this first and make it heavier. If white just play here and then this one, now the center is very good for me. Yeah. So if he just goes out here, then I can exchange everything. And then, 4 and 5, they are good exchange. Then I can even extend here and make him to answer here. Yeah. And if white just tenuki here, there is Tetsuji. Yeah. Can you find out how you can connect? Actually, this is not that easy. If you can find out in 10 seconds, I think your level is very strong. And maybe many people may think that this is possible to connect. Yeah. If white just connect here, that's possible. But the problem is white can fix the sequence. White can attach this first and then cut here, this one. Black doesn't work. Even though black plays here, white doesn't have to connect. White can just block here immediately. So now it doesn't work too. That's why the vital point is here. Kusumi is the vital point. And this here, this connect. How is it? Did you find out the answer? Yeah. There is 3. If we just think for the first move, then we get to think knight move. But if you add the reading skill, then that's not gonna work. So now, it was my reading anyway. So he thought much complicated variation. Yeah, he was spending for a long time now because the white made some complicated situation. So now he fixed the sequence. Now he just jumped and then he wanted to make this group heavier. He doesn't want to give me the simple trading because if I can just have a trading, then it was much easier for me. So connect and then connect and then cut. But still white couldn't throw away anywhere. So now he just decided to save here and connect. But that was right judgment, and now the capturing race condition was not so great for me. But the problem is still, even though I throw them away, still black is not bad. Yeah. And then his reading was great. Yeah, I think he really read right way. In case he plays wrongly like this, and then I can hane and then connect. And this is gonna be a ko. Here, white cannot even connect. I can just capture. So white has to surround from outside. Then this is gonna be a ko. Then this ko is not that risky to me. Yeah. But his reading was perfect. He found out this move. It was very good. Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah. I don't know, nowadays, even when I have a capturing race, then my brain is not really working. Just, I use my, how to say, I really had that feeling that even though I throw that away, still I was leading, but it doesn't mean I read it perfectly. Just I followed my mood there. Yeah. So now I decided to have a sacrifice. If I just continue to have a capturing race here and this, maybe he can play here. Yeah, because now if I just capture this, still white is faster, one liberally. So now what if I just ignore here? The white can even ignore, and then still capturing race is not gonna work. Yeah, so now I didn't play any more there because now black has some more liberty. And then in the center, actually, there is something, the net. Yeah, AI recommend me to play this move first. Actually, I even find out this move in the actual game, but just I was thinking that whether I need to exchange and then return here, or just capture this first, and then when it answers here, then try to attack this first, or just continue to play here, and then attack here. I was thinking many things at this moment, yeah. But one thing was sure, I was thinking I was leading enough. But in the actual game, when I capture here, I'm not sure whether he was thinking that was in trouble. Yeah. So he just answered here, and it will be the final mistake. I mean the final losing move. Yeah. If he doesn't answer there, still black couldn't make something. Yeah. Capturing, then you can just answer. Then attach here. Attach here, the white can just answer as well. Yeah. It was a bit complicated, but white has no reason to block there. Yeah, this was not, of course, okay for white, but white can just play extend here. Yeah. If white really wanted to capture clearly, then this is gonna be okay too. But black can use some Tetsuji. Yeah, I can make Sente until now. Yeah. So I think, of course, this is harder for me. Yeah, when I play here, this, here, still no problem. Yeah. maybe I can consider to make the call like this, but this is too much risky for me. I don't think even it's gonna be a call. It's not good idea. Yeah, it's not even straight call. So I think if white doesn't answer, I was not thinking even to push here. Yeah, I can just have a sacrifice, but nothing special actually. Yeah. So maybe I think he had some misreading. I'm not sure whether he was thinking here is valuable. But of course, even the white plays here, still black was leading enough. Yeah. In the actual game, when he plays here, I just captures one time and then set up the net. If white really wanna win this capturing race, still that is possible to play like this one or here. That's actually possible. And then when I just surround here, white is still faster than black. But you know, outside is very clean. I can even start to attack this group, and even I can separate this group. Still black was winning enough. But in the actual game, he knows that he need to make something, otherwise he has no chance to win this game. But you know, this is like a kind of self-Atari, so I can say that he just found out the place where he has to resign. Yeah. So I made all the center from now, and then this, and then that becomes self-Atari white by himself. Because when I double hane here, if white just cut here, and then Atari, I can even capture and then connect and die. Yeah. And another variation is actually this is actual game. Another variation, when he cut here, in case I just connect here, then it was a little bit complicated. I need to take the call. Yeah, but I don't even have to do that because I can Atari here, and then if he captures, I can make connect and die. And then if he just connect here, you know, I shouldn't answer. He can just capture and there is no problem. So if I just connect here, it's gonna be, how to say, it was not the space ladder. I forgot the English name. How should I say that? It wasn't space ladder. Someone taught me before, but I forgot the English word. Yeah, please comment what was the name of this skill. Yeah. So anyway, white is captured by black. So in the actual game, he found out where he has to resign. So now I won. Now he just resigned now. Yeah, so it was such a great game, really. Yeah. In the beginning, yeah, he had some mistake in the left hand side fighting, and now in the middle game, then he realized that he need to try something. So he made a complicated situation, and I think that was quite successful because even I need to give up this group. Yeah, to be honest, I can't say that I was winning the capturing race and play. Just I followed the flow and just I was guessing. Maybe if this is that, it's okay. I can still handle the game. Yeah, still I was leading. Yeah, but it was good. Yeah, really nice job because he was actually capturing my group. Yeah, here. Okay, so today I have played the first round happily. Yeah, even though I have a busy schedule, so I couldn't even practice enough time, but still I was happy to play the first round. So my second game I'm gonna play on Friday night. Yeah, I'm in Hong Kong time at 9 p.m. Yeah, Friday is which date? Yeah, 5th. No, 6th. Yeah, 6th of August. Yeah, Hong Kong time, 9 p.m. So yeah, everybody, thank you so much for watching for my K.P.M.C competition game review, and see you guys next time. Yeah, thank you so much always supporting me, and enjoy your Baduk day. Yeah, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.